So let's talk no-foam mechanics. It's quick and easy to create the chicken wire rolls for containers like this one. So all you need is a 12-inch green-coated florist netting from Smithers Oasis, a wire cutter like this one, and a sticker rod slightly longer than your container to create this amazingly useful mechanics. So to create this roll, you take the chicken wire roll, and you're gonna count out for this particular container anyway. It will depend on the size of the container, but I'm gonna count out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 cells. And on the 9th cell, I'm going to go ahead and cut with the wire cutter exactly about midway to create spurs on both sides. So I'm just gonna go and do this. So all you have to do now is to just form this into a cylinder shape. And what we're gonna do is do an overlap of one cell. So it's like this, so that it overlaps. And as you overlap one, you're gonna take the spur, and you're gonna just bend it over so that it has the overlap of one cell, and then it has that spur that closes over, so that you just do this until you get something like this. So to support this in the container, it must be suspended across the top to be most effective and not sunk into the container. So you're gonna go ahead and take this stick and run it across, all the way across, and suspend it, and then push this chicken wire, the roll, right down over it so that it is suspended and the bottom of that mechanic is not touching the bottom of the container. So it's just clearly suspended. And so there you have this. And it's nice and solid. Insertions of boxwood or twigs for added gridding is a good idea. The advantage of boxwood or similar materials, it's because they're readily available forged product that could be out of your garden. Helps make the green chicken wire visually actually disappear more quickly. The 2 layers of chicken wire directs the stem insertions to stay in place, to guide them into water to start the interlocking insertions of stems for secure designing without overstuffing. It's vital to the economy of means, which means that this mechanic guides you to use enough stems to complete the designs without overstuffing. And this is possible in this mechanics much better than when you're designing in foam. To see how I flower this design using these mechanics, watch my flowering with chicken wire rolls video via the link in description or the card above. Thanks again, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for future tutorials.